The people that I work with are great. We like to bounce ideas off of each other. If you need help, they are willing to help you if they're available. If you need answers or have questions, you're always going to be able to get them. I'm Paul, and I'm a service plumber here at Cardinal. I've actually been with Cardinal, it'll be 5 years in September. We get to see and be a part of a lot of fun little projects. So we get to work side by side with other departments regularly. We're working as a team, say in the basement together, versus having 3 different companies working down there. And at that point, you're kind of like bumping elbows, and it's not always the most friendly atmosphere. But being down there with the people that you work with, it's a lot more of a friendly atmosphere, and we can actually get the work done. It's no different walking in, working with the HVAC guys than it is walking in, working with the electrical guys, or even walking in and working with within our plumbing department. Everybody's usually pretty open. If you run into a situation where you went back because of something else, or someone else had already been there for a different reason, everybody's open to learning. So that positive, feedback from situations is great. Feeling like you're part of the family and not just trying to chase down service work and things like that it's great. Not every company makes you feel that way.